You've got an innovative idea that you're passionate about bringing to market. But did you know that over 90% of hardware product launches fail? Sure, you can go it alone. After all, you've made it this far. But as you get into developing your product, you'll soon find there are hundreds of vital decisions to make, each one taking valuable time to research, evaluate, and negotiate. And you'll need to orchestrate all of your choices to come together at exactly the right time. One wrong move, and you risk the success of your product, and possibly your business. Or you could team up with Seecomp, the manufacturing partner who guides you through the product development journey, from engineering to supply chain setup and everything in between. You'll be shown where critical decisions must be made so your product launch stays on track. When you trust that your product is in great hands, you'll be free to focus on growing your business. With Seecomp on your team, you'll have the experience and expertise to successfully drive your product from concept to completion, bringing your passion to life and giving your fans something they will love.